it's no secret, I'm a pretty weird individual. I go to the beat of my own drum. Follow the beat of my own drum. I don't know how the saying goes. I'm a little drummer boy. The chances of you watching one of my videos without me bringing up the Sasquatch, if you will, the Bigfoot, aliens, is quite slim. It's a weird obsession. Like, very weird. You talk to me a couple times, you know I'm gonna bring up one of those topics. I've spent my whole life scouring for the Sasquatch. When I say that, I actually have a lot of times, even on camera for YouTube. However, those are hard to catch, hard to find even. And when I say catch, I mean like, I'm not gonna like keep the thing, you know, just like catch him in a little snare, take a quick selfie, cut him free and hope he doesn't rip my head off. But my lifelong goal is to have some sort of experience, some sort of anything with the Sasquatch. With the animal human, we don't know, and I can get into it if you guys want to. Oh my god, I think interdimensional human being, SASQUATCH if you will.
What person ever moved like that in the history of people?
It's Sam's Squam Tricky, and there's one right outside my fucking door right now.
You Canadians will get that one. Boys, I couldn't find a fucking Bigfoot, so I found the next best thing. And we're about to unbox it today. Back in action, we're back in action. Oh my god, I'm stoked. Really appreciate you for joining back, boys. I don't know what I can do to get you guys to thumbs up this video, or just let me know if you guys like this type of weird unboxing, weird type of video. This is really what I want to do. So just thumbs up if you want to, that's all I can say. Boys, my whole life, like I just said, I've been looking for the Sasquatch. It's a hard thing to find, but I'm a firm believer. What it came down to is kind of following what one of my childhood dreams was to own an actual relic of the Sasquatch, whether it be a piece of hair or an actual casting of a Sasquatch footprint. However, as I tried over the years to find such a thing, I kind of came to realize a lot of people were just putting out crap. It's so easy to buy a footprint of a Sasquatch. It's easy to fake, you know what I mean? You can buy it on Etsy and put it in your yard. There's a lot of crap. I needed the real thing. So I started hitting up a bunch of Sasquatch experts that I've known throughout the years, not known personally, but I tried to email them. And what I came to realize is if you want an actual Sasquatch casting, and this is a footprint, so like, if you guys don't know this, I feel like it's like common knowledge to everyone, but that's just me too. Like, I feel like not everyone knows this. What we're talking about real quick is like, when you see an imprint in the mud, you cast it, and then the casting, hopefully I can find an image online, comes out, and then you know, you've got the casting of the footprint. I don't fucking know. Keep watching. Anyway, what I came to realize is if I wanted the real thing, I want it from a reputable source, like Survivor Man. If you guys ever watched that show, I trust him fully. If he ever came up with the Sasquatch casting and sold it to me, keep in mind, I'm willing to pay a lot of fucking money for this, then I would trust that. But I didn't want just any casting. You can find a bunch of bullshit on Etsy that people just made to put in your garden. I didn't want it. As I continued with my searching eBay everywhere, hitting people up, nobody was down to let go of the actual Sasquatch footprints that they had, or I wasn't down to buy it because I didn't trust the person that was selling it to me. I want to know for sure that I trust you before buying this footprint, and I'm willing to spend thousands of dollars on this, that this is real and I believe you. I couldn't find that, boys, but what I did find is an exact... Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this up. It's right here, boys. I found the exact... You know what, we'll just get into it real quick. I'm loving this. Oh god, let me get baked for a second. I'm gonna go crazy if I get baked. Alright, hold on. Anyway, so I didn't find it, but what I did find is an exact replica. Keep in mind, boys, you can't find real Sasquatch footprints anywhere. Exact replica, and I paid a lot of money for this, by the way, of the actual casting of this picture right here. So what they did was they took the exact casting from that Sasquatch, the guy that took that footage, they took that exact cast and made this. This is an exact perfect replica from Master Replicas, which are very renowned, I guess. And we're getting into it. It's a one-of-one scale, the exact same thing. So they made this casting, once again, off the casting of this Bigfoot. Oh my god. Now, whether you guys believe in this or not, one thing I do want to say is, regardless, this is a piece of history. That picture is a piece of history. Guaranteed everyone's seen it, is kind of like what's in my mind. So whether it's real or fake, whether he faked that experience, don't try cutting a box with a vape, I don't know what I'm doing. Whether he faked that experience or not, it's still a part of our history of the Sasquatch, or even of, if you don't believe, the legends. You know what I mean? It's such a relic to have. It's such a cool... Oh, and there's peanuts. I hate these. I hate these. I'm about to make a huge fucking mess of these. Anyway, hundreds on hundreds on hundreds of dollars later, I found this. I've been searching for years, not for this exact thing, but this is the closest thing. My dog's barking. She doesn't bark much. I'm gonna go check that. She only barks when people break into my car, always. I'll be right back. where was I at? Anyway, let's just, as I open this, I'm so excited. I'll give you some of my thoughts of the Sasquatch. They're absolutely weird, man. They're so weird. I personally think, and one thing I do want to recommend, this guy is like hated in the Sasquatch community by a lot, but also loved by a lot. The video called Discovering Bigfoot, if you have Amazon Prime, Discovering Bigfoot. Watch that, then you'll be a firm believer. Oh my God, here it's wrapped up. It's wrapped up. This is my favorite Sasquatch photo of all time. There's a lot more amazing stories to it. You guys, I'm sure you've seen. Oh, and it's got everything on it. Oh, is there anything else? Oh, let's go. Ian's downstairs right now with my, right now he's probably thinking I'm having sex, but I'm not. I'm just excited about my Sasquatch purchase. Okay, boys, anyway, here's the exact replica that I bought for too much money. We have, oh my God, they have real grass in here. Look at the size of this thing. So this, when Patterson, it was the Patterson footage that got actually that Sasquatch video. He took a casting, and this, once again, is the exact, they took his casting and made this casting. So this is the exact same thing. Then they added little trees in there and rocks and stuff, like real. Like literally, I could pull grass out of this right now. We have moss in there. Look at the size of this thing. I'm about to put this on my shelf. Oh my God. The back's kind of regular, but that's a Sasquatch footprint. And I do, if you guys are wondering, believe in the Patterson footage. I really do. The partner that he was with at the time, Patterson has now since died. The guy he was with has done a lot of interviews, and he seems like such a believable, such a, you know, a humble human being, where I believe what this guy is saying. But look at this. Look at my fucking foot. Oh my God, that thing is massive. So my thoughts with the Sasquatch, boys, is I've gotten real weird into this. I'm a super weird thinker. Most people just, you know, give me a pipe, and, or not a pipe, that's, well, a pipe of marijuana. And they're like, hey, smoke up and tell me about it. I'll tell you about it right now, because I just did that. I think Sasquatch is an interdimensional, I just can't stop looking at this, is an interdimensional, almost, maybe, possibly human being. Like, we don't know. We don't know anything, man. The fact that cameras cut out when you're talking, like, and this sounds nuts as all hell, but I love believing in the unknown. It's more fun than anything, you know what I mean? If I get proven to be wrong on this, that's fine, I don't care, but it's fun to believe the unknown. I've been a massive alien researcher forever. When I say researcher, just like following and knowing like the craziest people that are leaking this stuff online right now. It's just anything unknown to me is so sick. But the Sasquatch itself, I don't know what to think. Cameras get cut off sometimes when you're around it, so people say, so people claim. And when I say this, I believe so much because I've talked to a lot of these people personally that I trust. I really do trust that have had these experiences. And yeah, there's no reason that they would lie to me. So what they're telling me is their cameras start cutting off and blah, blah, blah. The Sasquatch doesn't mean harm, but it can. Gotta be scared. I don't know, man. I'm freaking out right now. I'm freaking out to have this in my hands. I don't want to waste any more of your time with this video, boys. This is the craziest purchase I've made in a while. Craziest for sure, but I meant crazy as in terms of like my favorite piece I've ever bought, I think. I can't wait to display this. If I couldn't get the real thing, boys, I was gonna get something that is just a part of, once again, history with this. That footage, once again, if it's fake, it's fake. Doesn't matter. But it's still part of our history talking about such a legend, you know? And this is an exact casting replica of that famous, the most famous Sasquatch footage. Unreal. I'm so excited about this, boys. If you guys want a full video of me talking about Sasquatch at one point, I can do it. Right now, I'm just kind of... I just can't wait to shut off this video and display it, to be honest. But, let me know, boys. I'd be so down to do more of these types of unboxings. This type of thing just makes me so happy. I've got a cool alien artifact, if you will. You know what I mean? That I can show you guys, too. It's pretty sick. You gotta collect this stuff now, apparently. 3 is a collection. I only have 2 artifacts from the unknown, so... I'll have to get one more thing, and then it's a collection. Anyway, boys, appreciate you for watching. This is the type of video that I really love to do. As you can probably tell, I haven't stopped smiling this whole time, man. We have, oh my God, we have it. Oh, I'll never break this thing. I'll probably break it tomorrow accidentally, but I hope that I won't break this thing. Quality's sick. Like I say, the real rocks, the real, you know, grass in there is just so sick. And the fact that it was taken off the exact cast, made from the exact cast, means this is a perfect replica to a certain extent. And that makes me so freaking happy, boys. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Weird video today. back with whatever the hell you guys want to watch tomorrow. Let me know about that. But anyway, bye. I'm gonna Snapchat this to all my friends. I don't even own Snapchat. I'm gonna have to download it to do that. And I'm fully willing to. Bye.